Hey guys, special race today. We are going back to Tulsa. They have a Titan 10.5 race, but they have some classes out there I think I'm going to be interested in running in. So an unusual class. We're going to have a pro bracket tree bracket race. So you're leaving off of a pro tree bracket race. So it's going to be different. Never did this before. No box, so you cannot have a you cannot have a delay box in the car, but you can run trans brakes. So took the delay box out, stuck the trans brake button in, and go see how that's going to work. As you can see, we got the trailer all hooked up, we're ready to go. Just need to pull it out of here and get onto the track. Well, made it to the track. Just getting ready to pull in the gate here, pay the lady or pay the person, and find ourselves a spot. Okay guys, we're all ready. I've not made the first pass. We did get the car all warmed up and stuff, so we're ready to go. This, like I said, is a pro tree style racing, so it's going to be very interesting to see how well I can react. So anyway, first time session coming up, so here we go. Okay, get you an update on my pro tree light. I had a not too bad 114 light. Could be a lot better, could have been a lot worse, but that's the first time I left off a pro tree in eons. So car ran decent. It ran a 661. Really didn't spin 143 60 foot. So we made some more adjustments, timing adjustments, and I'm launching at a higher RPM. So that was at 3,800. I bumped it up another 150. So this is 3,950. And I played around with the timing a little bit more. So let's see where that lands us. So after that, we go to eliminations. But we are tracking in behind the fast cars. So they prep the track, then they run the fast cars, then they run us. So the track is really, really good right now. So anyway, going to get ready to go up round 2 for testing, 2, how you want to call it, coming up. Okay guys, got done second pass of qualifying. You can see the car is still running. Okay, no electrical problems, any of that good stuff. That pass, we stalled it a little bit higher. I think we left out the brake at 30, almost 4,000. I think it's 3,950, but I think it's about 4,000. Played around with the time a little bit, and it made a big difference. The car ran a 657, cut a 139 60 foot. So that really woke it up. Now we'll see if we can't back up that pass on the first round of no E. So I still got my doubts about it, but if it made that big a difference by moving the stall up that much and played it with the time a little bit, I found something. So anyway, so go from there. So round 1 coming up. Okay guys, I got first round coming up. I got a 57 on it. We'll see how it goes. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, reset my dial 660 since it ran at 660 before. I think that 57 is just a fluke. It could have been because I was on the converter that long, and when it gets hot it usually goes a lot faster. So here we go. me kind of recap that last round. I thought I lost. Reality, I won, and it probably shows on the camera I won. I never saw the win line. So that's why I got on this camera, the in-car camera, and say I lost and all that stuff to slow down. Reality, it ran dead on its number, 660. So it was a good dial. The other guy just broke out. So anyway, not that good a light, 104 light. So I really need to be on this tree a little bit harder. Like I said, this is Ford Pro. I've never raced something like this before. So it should be pretty interesting. So here we go, round 3 coming up. Okay guys, we made it to the 3rd round. Man, I cannot believe, I thought I lost that 2nd round. The guy came around me so freaking quick. I thought I lost. I didn't realize that my green light came on. So anyway, we are here in the 3rd round. I do have a 660 on it. The splits were kind of funny. I had a really good 60 foot. First kind of slowed down to 330 and then picked up from the 330 on. So it's kind of weird what it did. I mean, it had the potential of a 57 pass, but it actually ran a 60. And I know I didn't get out of it. So anyway, so here we come up, round number 3 coming up. I think we're down to 8 cars. Okay, that is the end of the race. I wish it would turn out better. Race my good buddy Mr. Gordon Laster. I just didn't hit the tree worth a flip and I couldn't recover, but the car ran dead on its number. Car is really consistent most of the night. Just had that one fluke pass. I ran at 57. I think that was just because the things got really warm and stuff. So, but it is what it is. This is a different type of racing. I didn't know what to expect. I've never raced a race like this. So definitely if I come back again, I'll be a little bit more prepared for it. So, but anyway, had a good time. Got some rounds. But it is what it is. So anyway, like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Like and all that good stuff. So anyway, it is late. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So with that, I'm out of here until the next time.